Hi, my name is Gabriel.
Hi, my name is Angel.
Hi, my name is Zarina.
And my name is Isaac.
We will be presenting a topic about Fintech e-wallet industry in Malaysia.
The fintech industry in Malaysia that my group chose to talk about is e-wallets. Now, e-wallets are an integral part of today's community and society in Malaysia, but it wasn't always the case. Malaysians always preferred and loved using cash and a debit or credit card. But now, with the introduction of e-wallets, or do it now QR pay or scan to pay we like to call, it has changed the landscape of not only the fintech industry, but also the payment industry in Malaysia. It is very accessible, it is secure, it is convenient, and you don't need to have the hassle of bringing cash or spare change around, or even a physical card. Since now, most of us have a smartphone, if not all. Just download an app that has an e-wallet, being prime examples being MAE by Maybank, Touch and Go, Boost, GrabPay, or even Shopee, being Shopee Pay. Now, with the initiative of e-Madani being an allocation of 100 ringgit, people have started to download more e-wallets and try to use it more, right? Especially those who are older, like my parents or even grandparents. They even applied to it and they actually got the money and use and learned how to use e-wallets. So that's a very good initiative by the government to actually promote the use of e-wallets and non-cash payment forms. So the e-wallet industry and the fintech industry of e-wallets is very important and is growing really quick and is successfully doing so, and it's changing the landscape of Malaysia's payment system and fintech industry for the better.
Fintech e-wallet, which is stand for Financial Technology Electronic Wallet. It is a digital tools that allow user to store, manage, and transact money electronically through mobile devices. In Malaysia, this wallet have emerged as a technological response to the evolving of financial needs of a saving tech population.
The inception of fintech e-wallet in Malaysia can be traced back to the early 2010s. Gaining momentum as smartphone penetration surged across the nation, the Malaysia government pushed towards a cashless society further fueled this growth, with initiatives such as National E-commerce Strategic Roadmap and support from Bank Negara Malaysia providing a conducive environment for digital payment solution. Companies like Grab, Touch and Goes, and Boost seized the opportunity, entering market with initiative offering that transform the payment landscape. They introduced convenient and secure alternatives to traditional payment methods, leveraging technology to facilitate quick and efficient transactions. Of the latest available data, e-wallet usage in Malaysia has experienced significant adoptions. Millions of Malaysians have embraced these digital wallets for everyday transactions, ranging from retail purchases to utility bill payments. The widespread popularity is indicative of the rapid acceptance and integrations of fintech e-wallet into the daily lives of Malaysian consumers.
Now, from the graph shown in the screen right now, the latest data that was collected on the third quarter of 2020, it is shown that 61% of Malaysian e-wallet users prefer Touch and Go over any of the big four companies.
E-wallets have their own set of advantages and disadvantages. One of the biggest advantages of using an e-wallet is the convenience it offers. With just a few clicks on your phone or computer, you can easily make payments or transfer funds instantly. E-wallets also eliminate the need to carry cash or cards, making it a safer option for those who are on the go. Another advantage is the security of e-wallets. Most e-wallets use advanced encryption technologies to protect your personal and financial information. This adds an extra layer of security to your transactions, making it less vulnerable to fraud or theft. However, there are also some drawbacks to using e-wallets. One of the biggest concerns is the possibility of technical glitches or system failures. If the e-wallet system experiences any issues, it can cause inconvenience and even financial losses for users. Another disadvantage is that not all merchants accept e-wallet payments. While the number of merchants accepting e-wallets has been increasing, there are still some who do not accept this payment method. This can limit the usability of e-wallets for some users. Overall, e-wallets have both pros and cons. It is important to weigh these factors carefully before deciding to use an e-wallet as a payment method.
For opportunities, for the first one, Fintech e-wallet open doors for new entrants and innovation. Second is partnership collaborations with merchant and bank enhanced service offering. And for the third one, financial educates opportunities to educate user about responsible financial habits.
Move on to the threats by using e-wallet. One of the biggest threats of using e-wallet is the possibility of fraud or hacking. If a hacker gains access to your e-wallet account, they can steal your personal and financial information, which can lead to identity theft and financial loss. Another potential threat of making e-wallet is the lack of consumer protection. Unlike credit cards, e-wallets are not always subject to the same level of protection and regulation. This means if that you make a payment using an e-wallet and the transaction goes wrong, you may not be able to get your money back or dispute the payment. Finally, there is also the risk of losing your mobile phone or other device that you use to access your e-wallet. If someone else finds your device, they may be able to access your e-wallet account and make unauthorized transactions. To mitigate this risk, it is important to use a reputable e-wallet service that has strong security measures in place, such as two-factor authentication and encryption. It is also important to keep your e-wallet app and device up to date with the latest security updates and to regularly check your account for any unauthorized transactions.
The first impact towards the Malaysian individual is Fintech e-wallets empower Malaysians, providing digital controls and fostering financial inclusion. Gamified features and rewards influence spending habits, making financial management more convenient and engaging. The second impact towards the Malaysian economy is accelerating the digital economy. E-wallet boosts online transactions, creating a more centric job market. This will create more job opportunities for Malaysians and increase demand for skills in areas such as digital finance, app development, and cybersecurity. This will increase speed of money circulations, enhance the economic agility, transforming Malaysia into a innovation hub. The third impact towards the Malaysian industry is e-wallet disrupts and evolve traditional financial models, prompting collaboration ecosystems. Regulatory dynamics adapt to balance innovations and oversight, shaping a future where financial services are more accessible, efficient, and tech-driven.
In conclusion, the e-wallet fintech industry is one of the biggest industries in Malaysia. It brings a lot of ease of use, convenience, and security to all Malaysians and to all who use it. It reduces the size of our wallets. It also brings us security, as in we don't have to worry about being pickpocketed of our cash. And it brings a lot of convenience to the people who have stalls. Like, you don't have to count money. You pretty much, once you get it in your account, it's the exact amount. You don't have to give baki, you don't have to pretty much sort out for cash, right? And it's also safer for us, as in it transmits less disease as you're passing down less cash. Physical contact is reduced. So in conclusion, the e-wallet industry is a big industry that has benefited us all after its inception. And I think we should still keep using it or improve upon it, as it has room for improvement. And I think that if we improve it, it will probably be our main source of payment.
Thank you for watching our video. Hope you guys learned something from it.